you bring this over. Ew! What's my name? Lou.
I'm sorry. You're gonna lose anyway. I'm gonna write, I hate you.
We should make our own YouTube account.
No, who are you texting?
Raul.
No, don't.
Fine.
I only have like 6 minutes left. That's how much.
What?
That's how much memory used up today. I have like 6 minutes left.
Wow. You are stupid. Making stupid
Stupid is a
videos.
mean word.
You guys are the stupidest kids ever.
You're the one who keeps falling off every game.
Shush.
I'm not the one who's making car noises.
This is a video game, so...
Ew, look, she doesn't
Yeah, but when you play Call of Duty, you don't see people going pew pew.
pew pew pew.
Does your brother have that game?
No. My brother is 8.
So?
See, it goes from the most important people to the least important people.
Wow.
It goes from Gibbs, Eva, Tony to Ducky, Abby, and Mickey.
Abby is important, okay?
No, she's not.
Abby is like super important.
So she's funny and stuff, but you know
She is important. Shut up. Just shut up.
But like,
Shut up.
but like,
Just
Gibbs
beat
is
it, beat it.
But the Gibbs is like the father, and then Tony and then Ziva are like the kids, and then Cookie is like the step brother, and then
No, what's Abby? Abby is like the...
Abby is the baby.
Oh, you're talking about
Yes, Abby's the babysitter.
Abby, no.
Abby
Abby is a big part of this
Yes, she's a
whole thing.
babysitter.
No, she's not the babysitter.
She's a babysitter that's the fun
No,
things about a lot.
I would rather have... bomb. Hey, I'm gonna do this.
terrorist.
No! I have a bomb in my book bag. Well, I don't have a book bag, but...
You're so dumb.
You get my point. Brianna, all memories. Oh, yes.
Oh yes.
There's a store called Giggles.
Down the mountain and she
There's
comes.
By my school, there's a store called Giggles.
Really, there's a store in my school called the Stockings Nest, and you buy pencils and your agenda and like.
That's cool. We just have a bookstore.
I would never go there. I don't read books.
They don't even sell books. That's the weirdest
Really?
thing. They don't sell books at all.
That's so weird.
They call it a bookstore, but they don't sell books.
Like it's saying to go to a pizza parlor, but it's a bookstore. Like,
Well, they don't have pizza.
yeah, they don't have pizza. They have books. That's like not cool.
I have 3 minutes left.